Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In the previous videos, as you remember, we've created the motion link between the sport gear, which is small, and the big one, and between the shaft and the rod. And let's see, and the connecting rod, yes. And now what we need to do is to create the linear motion from the rotational motion. So let's see. We need to link those two, but before that we need to create a rigid group, yes, between the blade holder assembly and this small part. Perfect. And I will put this here. Actually, I will do a joint, this one, it's this one, and it will be a revolve joint. Wonderful. But we have some problems. So what I will do, I will go back, put again the rigid group between this small part, and I think there is a small part here too. Perfect. And I will put an as-built joint between those two. Good. And now this is happening, but don't worry, we will fix it. So what I need to do is to make all of this a rigid group. So the blade holder assembly, and all the other parts that are here doing this. Okay, perfect. So now I have like that. But what I need to do when this is happening, I need this to move forward and back. So I will got an as-built joint between the blade holder assembly and the gear housing. Okay, and let's see. And now when it goes back and forth, actually we need to power from this part. We have the motion needed. So let's create a motion study, and we power this one 360 at the step 100, and let's play it on repeat, and we can increase the speed, and this is actually how reciprocating saw is working. Wonderful. What we need to do now is to rename all the rigid groups and all the revolve joints. So big spur gear, small spur gear, big small spur gears. This is between big gear, small shaft. Okay, small shaft rod, big gear rod, let's see the name of this part, motor internal, so housing motor internals. This is the blade holder assembly. Blade assembly, rod assembly, blade assembly, housing, blade blade assembly, rod, housing, big shaft, blade assembly. Perfect. So now that everything is renamed, we can save. So in the next video, we'll add some color and finish the mechanism, actually finish the reciprocating saw. So for now, add blade motion study. See you in the next videos.